by doing weight training is
It's the power press.
But it's true, alright? Same thing. 2 more sets. Nothing changes. Intensity goes up because fatigue's setting in. Smash it! Smash it! 1, 2, 3, down. Reset. Up.
Squeeze your booty.
The weights in your heels is going to really help you engage the muscles of the glutes, but your shoulders are really changing shape. Hold.
Whoops.
Weight down. How many sets? Yeah, I'm going to go there. I've been looking at those weights the entire time.
One more set.
I want to go up.
5.
I want to go up. High intensity interval training. Power! Go! 1, 2, 3, we said. Now watch. Elbows closer to the knees will allow you to intensify the workout even more. Last one. Woohoo! Hold. Boom. Done. Bend knees, put them down.
Ah,
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah.